What's up guys, I just got in a trade. This is on Eurusd. If you have been watching Eurusd, you know that it has been going down. It has been a downtrend. This is the 4-hour time frame. Right now is New York open and I just got in, apparently in a drawdown. I will update you later. Traders, this is the first trade of the week and the trade is looking good. It's part of my strategy. It's a break and retest trade, so there's nothing to worry about. I'm kind of nervous, but I think it's because I've been taking losses from my strategy and I've been wicked out a lot from the past month. I've been wicked out a lot. It reduced my confidence, like my confidence for my strategy reduced because of that. But that's how the market is. The market will stop you out even though it's your setup, even though it's your perfect setup. That's why you should have a good risk management. Hello traders, today is Friday and I didn't take any trade on Thursday, so I want to update you about the trade on EURUSD that I took Wednesday. So check this out. The trade turned out to be profitable, so I got in two trades. This right here, this blue arrow was my first entry. This second arrow was my second entry, and this was my take profit. So my original take profit was around here. It was two take profits. My original profit was around here, but I closed the trade before it gets there because price was struggling to pass this area. This is 1 hour time frame. If you go to 30-minute time frame, you see how price was struggling a lot. Like, this is a 30-minute time frame. You can see price here was struggling from all the way here. It tapped here, went down, it came here, tapped here, tapped here, tapped here, and I was like, I need to get out. Price may not push through this area. And at this time when price was here, it was around 11 p.m. at night. So I was like, if I don't cross this trade, I may get some gaps. You know, the price may gap me because there's a lot of spreads at night, at midnight. So if you hold a trade at overnight, so there's spreads, and spreads can really trigger your stop loss without even touching it. So I closed the trade just to be safe. I was afraid that spreads will kick me out, so I closed the trade. But I should have not closed the trade because price was still bullish and I always hold overnight, so there was no problem. That's the trade that I took on Wednesday, guys. It was a EURUSD bought. It was a buy trade. Just as usual, it was a break and retest, and I took this trade at the beginning of the day, I guess. No, it was in the New York session Wednesday, and that was the first trade. I got in at the New York session open, and there was, and tonight, the night of Wednesday, there was FOMC news. I thought that FOMC news will move price really, really hard, but when price, when FOMC was released, there was a candle like price did not move that much. It moved up and moved down again and created um, a consolidating candle, like an indecision candle. So below that level, the level I was showing you. So let me show you. So this is this candle right here. This is a 30-minute time frame. This candle right here is FOMC. But this FOMC news is different from usual FOMC. You know, this news, this FOMC is what released after the big FOMC. You know, after the Fed rate have been released. This is the news that come after. This is not the Fed's rate news. Maybe that's why it did not move that much. So again, after the news, price did not break this level and kept ranging below this level. That's why I was like, I need to close this trade because I don't want to lose it. And I was already up. I was already up 2% on 2 trades, and I was like, so let me just get out. Anyway, let me just get out. Anyway, I have 2%, 2 hour in profit, so let me just get out. So I closed the trade before midnight, and I woke up in the morning and price literally broke the level and went super high. If I could have heard it, I could have made a lot, $100. I could have made $100 on this challenge account, and it could have got me out of the drawdown. Guys, trading is crazy. Trading is hard. Trading is something else. Like, you will have regrets. You will beat yourself up for not doing something. You will doubt yourself. You will have fear, anxiety. There's so much to deal with, like stress. Like these 2 trades that I was holding, there was a lot of stress with this trade. I don't know why I had stress that day. Maybe it was because of it was 2 trades. So there's a saying that says you cannot make 2 emotional decisions in a day, more than 2. So if that means you cannot take, if you take more than two trades a day, you are putting your psychology in a bad place, you know. Even with these 2 trades, it was psychologically stressful to hold them. The second trade was a little bit risky, so that's why I was stressed. So I think it was the risk that was behind this trade that made me stressed. Other than that, it's fine. I'm in profit. I'm getting out of the drawdown just a little bit. I'm going up and come back a little bit, and go up again and come back a little bit. Like, I'm moving up, but in a very slow way, and I will get out of it. I will eventually get out of this drawdown. If my risk to reward is good and my risk management is good, I will get out of this drawdown. So today is Friday. We're about to get into New York session, and there is no trade setup. There's no period that I'm trying to trade right now, so I'll call it a week. I'm gonna end the week right now, because if I take a trade right now, I will have to hold it overnight. That is just my strategy. I'm kind of a swing trader, so I'm not gonna take a trade right now and I can hold trades during the weekend with this challenge account on Skilled Funded Traders. That's just a rule. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next episode.